Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, here they give 3 vertices like 2, 3, minus 4, 7, 2, minus 4. So here's x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So we need to find centroid. Centroid, the formula is centroid of, when they'll give 3 vertices, the formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here x1 is 2, x2 is minus 4, plus x3 is 2, or you can write plus minus 4 plus 2 by 3. y1 is 3 plus 7 y2, y3 is minus 4 by 3. So if we'll simplify, here 2 minus 4 plus 2 by 3, 3 plus 7 minus 4 by 3. So 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0 by 3. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 minus 4, 6 by 3. So here the centroid is 0 by 3 is 0 and 6 by 3 is 2. So centroid is 0, 2. Find the probability of getting a vowel if a letter is chosen randomly from the word innovation. So here we need to find probability. So probability of an event, the formula is number of favorable outcomes, by total number of outcomes, by total number of outcomes. So in this case, see, total number of outcomes. So here we need probability of getting a vowel, like, so total outcomes here, if you'll count, like innovation, INNOVATION. So see, if you'll count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 letters. So total number of outcomes are 10. And now they need vowel, like, see, they need like A, E, I, O, U. So here from that, this is a vowel, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So total 5 letters out of 10 are vowels here. So I'll write here 5. So the answer is, so the probability of getting vowels from the word innovation is 1 by 2, because 5 times 1, 5 times 2. Express tan theta in terms of sin theta. See, I'll explain this in like 2 methods. So express tan theta in terms of sin theta. So tan we need to write in terms of sin. So tan theta I can write as like sin by cos, but they want only in terms of sin. So this cos I'll change it with the help of identity, like sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So from here cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta is under root 1 minus sin square theta. So the answer is sin theta by under root 1 minus sin square theta. So this is the answer. But if you want to use with the help of Pythagoras theorem, if you need, so what you should consider is, so this is one method. The other one, a lighter alternate method. See, you consider now sine theta. You want in terms of sine theta. So sine theta you consider it as k. And you can write as k by 1. And sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So take a right angle triangle. A, B and C. If I'll take theta here, opposite is k, hypotenuse is 1. So I'll find BC value. So AC square equals AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So AC value is 1, AB is k plus BC square. So 1 minus k square is BC square. So BC value will be under root 1 minus k square. So BC value is under root 1 minus k square. Now we need the value of tan theta. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is here AB. Adjacent is BC. Opposite is k and adjacent is 1 minus k square. So now wherever k is there, substitute the value of sine theta. So you'll get sine theta by under root 1 minus sine square theta. So in this way we can find tan theta in terms of sine theta, one by using ratios and identities, the other one with the help of Pythagoras theorem. An observer standing at a distance of 10 meters from the foot of the tower. See, an observer standing, this if we'll consider as tower here and take it as tower, and a person is standing 10 meters away from the tower. See, here AB is a tower and person is standing at 10 meters. Now from the foot of the tower, observes its top with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. So he observes from here, he observes the top at an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Draw a suitable diagram. This is a diagram for this, but if you write AB is height of the tower, height of the tower, and AP is 10 meters, a person is standing at P, and they gave the angle of elevation, means from here a person is seeing from this point to the top of the tower. So angle BAP or APB is 60 degrees. The sides of a triangle measure 2 root 2, 4 and 2 root 6 units. Is it a right angle triangle? Justify. So to check for right angle triangle, see, to check for right angle triangle, here we need to apply like Pythagoras theorem. So in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So if we'll take here ABC, the square of hypotenuse AC square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. So here what I'll do, first I'll take all the three sides and I'll square all of them. Like I'll square all the sides. 4 square is 16. 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square is 4. Root 2 whole square is 2. So 4 into 2, which is 8. So here 2 square is 4. Root 6 whole square is 6. 4 into 6, 24. So here see, the longest side is like 2 root 6. So if I'll replace here with hypotenuse with 24. The other two sides you can write like 8 and 16. See, these are the sides after squaring. So hypotenuse, I'll take it as 2 root 6. The other side, I can take one side as 2 root 2. The other one is 4. Now if you'll substitute, see, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AC is 2 root 6 whole square. AB is 2 root 2 whole square. BC is 4 square. So 2 root 6 whole square is 24. This is 8 and this one is 16 already added. So 24 equals 24. It satisfies right angle triangle. So according to converse of Pythagoras theorem, in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. So here, angle B is 90 degrees. Because if you'll consider AC as a hypotenuse, you should say that, is it a right angle triangle? Yes, it is a right angle triangle. And if you'll take triangle ABC, if you'll consider triangle as ABC, then right angle is at B. Solve the quadratic equation 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 1 equals 0, where theta is less than or equal to 90 greater than 0. So it lies in first quadrant, so all the ratios will be like positive. So here, now 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta plus 1 equals 0. So you can consider here, directly you can solve, or you can consider let sin theta be x. Then the equation will become like 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Now if I'll do factorization, 2 into 1, 2. So factors are like 2 and 1. 2x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 1 equals 0. In the first two terms, I can take 2x common. So here I left x minus 1. Here minus 1 if I'll take common here, x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 again if I'll take common, x minus 1. If I'll take common, x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 equals 0. So x minus 1 equals 0, 2x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 1, 2x equals minus 1 if I'll transpose plus 1. So x equals 1 by 2. So x equals 1, x equals 1 by 2. Now here x equals 1, so but x is nothing but sin theta. Sin theta is 1 and sin theta is 1 by 2. So sin theta, trigonometry ratio table. So 1 you will get for like sin 90. So theta is 90 degrees. You can take 90 because they told less than or equal to 90. So theta is 90 degrees possible. And sin theta is 1 by 2. So sin 1 by 2 you will get for like 30 degrees. So theta is 30 degrees. 90 degrees and 30 degrees. So the values of theta 90 degrees and 30 degrees. Write the formula for median of a group data and explain each term of it. So here median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L is lower boundary of the median class. L is lower boundary of the median class. N is total frequency. N is total frequency. CF is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency preceding the median class. F is frequency of the median class. F is frequency of the median class. And H is class interval, length of the class or class size. So you need to write the formula and explain the term. So here L is lower boundary of the median class, N is total frequency, N, just you need to explain about N, and CF is cumulative frequency preceding the median class, F is frequency of the median class, H is class size. If x square plus y square is 10xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equals log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. So here, see, x square plus y square is 10xy. See, here is the hint. So I'll use logarithm of power if I'll use. So this 2 will go to the top. It is a plus b whole square. So here you will get a hint that whether you should add, you should get in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So here it is clearly a plus b. So what you should do is adding 2xy on both sides. So what I'll do, add 2xy on both the sides. So you'll get x square plus y square plus 2xy, 10xy plus 2xy. So on left side it is x plus y whole square equals 12xy. So now I'll apply log on both sides. Apply logarithm on both sides. So you'll get log x plus y whole square equals log 12x and y. Now see, now I'll use the formula, that is logarithm of power log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x, and log ab to the base x is log a to the base x plus log b to the base x. So here next step I'll write over here. So here if I'll apply this, if I'll consider as m 2, so 2 log x plus y. Here I'll consider 12 as a, x as b, c. So product of 3 terms. So it will become log 12 plus log x plus log y. Now 2 log x plus y, log 12 if you'll do prime factorization, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. So it is 2 square into 3 plus log x plus log y. Now here 2 log x plus y, again here log ab. So log a plus log b plus log x plus log y. Here I'll apply again logarithm of power. This I'll consider as m. So 2 log x plus y equals 2 log 2 plus log x, sorry here 3, it's 3 because b is 3, log 3 plus log x plus log y. So see, we got the required answer, log x plus log y plus 2 log 2 plus log 3. See, this is the answer here. So just by using these two formulas, logarithm of power and logarithm of product. So here, but you will get a hint in the starting itself, that is whether to do minus 2xy or plus 2xy on both sides. whether to add or subtract 2xy on both sides by seeing this one. It is a plus b, and this 2 will come like power here. So a plus b whole square. So that's why I added 2xy on both sides. A strip of width 4 centimeters is attached to one side of a square to form a rectangle. Here it is a square. A strip of 4 centimeters is attached to form a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 77 centimeters square. Then find the length of the side of the square. So here, let the length of the side of a square, let the side of a square be, I'll consider it as like x centimeters. So this is x and here also. So even this is x, so this also will be like x. Now if you'll see the diagram, the length will become x plus 4. Length is x plus 4 and breadth is x. So area of a rectangle is 77 centimeters square. It's given. So area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth is 77. So length is here x plus 4. X plus 4, breadth is x equals 77. So if you multiply here, x square plus 4x and 77 if we'll take towards LHS, minus 77 equals 0. So if we'll factorize, x square plus 4x minus 77. So 77 factors, 7 times 11. See, we'll get here like 4, 7 and 11. So x square, I want plus 4x, so I'll write 11x minus 7x minus 77. So x if we'll take common, x plus 11 minus 7 if we'll take common, x plus 11 equals 0. X plus 11 into x minus 7 equals 0. X plus 11 equals 0. X minus 7 equals 0. X equals minus 11. X equals 7. See, the length of the side of a square, it cannot be negative. So side of a square is 7 centimeters. Side of a square is 7 centimeters. From the given Venn diagram, show that n of a union b equals n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. In 2023, they asked this question for 4 marks. So here, n of a union b equals n of a, n of b minus n of a intersection b. See, number of elements in a and b, this whole both all together, a and b. See, don't take into consideration like x, y, z. They are outside the sets a and b. So in universal set, so don't take this x, y, z. In a and b, in these two circles, the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 elements. In a, you need to see only a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have 6 elements. Plus in b, again see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In b you have 7. Minus the common elements in both the sets, common elements a, e, u. So there are like 3 elements. So 10 equals 6 plus 7, 13, 13 minus 3, 10. This is a problem, but as I asked for like 4 marks, so if you write in detail it will be better. Write first a union b. All the elements of a and b. See these all b, d, m, a, e, u, p, q, r, t. So here b DM AEU PQRT. So number of elements in A union B. So if you count now, B, D, M, A, E, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 elements. Next, number of elements in A. So first write what is set A. In A, we have B, D, M, A, E, U. See, set A means you need to see only this circle. So in A, number of elements in A, we have like 6 elements. Cardinal number is 6. Next in B, you have only these 7 elements, that is A, E, U, P, Q, R, T. So number of elements in B is like 7. There are like 7 elements. Next, A intersection B. Only the common elements here, A, E, U. So number of elements in A intersection B is 3. So now this, if we'll substitute in the formula which is given there, here now, they told just verify n of A union B equals n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now A union B, you got 10 elements. A is 6 plus 7 minus 3. So 10 equals 10. Hence verified. So we need to show that n of A union B equals n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Here I got 10 equals 10. Number of elements in A union B is 10. And on the right side also I got 10 elements. A box contains 4 slips, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another box contains 5 slips numbered 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If one slip is taken out randomly from each box, how many number pairs are possible? So from this box 1 slip and from the other box 1 slip. So here see, in the first box we have the numbers like from 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the second box we have like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now they're asking how many number pairs are possible. Now see, you need to pair like this, like 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. Then again with 2, again 2 with 2 they are possible, like 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. So in this way we need to write all the possible numbers. So here first I'll write with 1, 1, 5 possible, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. Next with 2, 2, 5, 2 and 6, 2, 7, 2, 8 and 2, 9. Next one with 3, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3 and 8, 3 and 9. Next with 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 9. So total number of pairs possible are like 20, because 4 times 5. 4 times 5, 20. What is the probability of both being odd? So now, probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So here probability of both being odd numbers. So here both being odd numbers here. 1, 5 favorable outcomes. So here total number of outcomes are 20. So 1, 5, and right here 1 and 5, because 1 is odd, 5 is odd. 1, 7, that's it. In second case you will not get, because everything starts with 2. And in the third one again 1, 9 also will come. And in the third one 3, 5, 3, 7, and 3, 9. So total 6 possibilities. So 6 possibilities, and if you'll cancel this one, it's 2 times 3, 2 times 10. So the answer is 3 by 10. Next one, what is the probability of getting the sum of at least 10? At least 10 means 10 or more than 10. So here this answer is 3 by 10. And the last one, if you'll see, probability of sum, the probability of getting the sum of the numbers 10. See, so not at least. Find the probability of getting the sum of the numbers 10. So we should, if we add, we should get 10. So here 4 and 6, and we have 3 and 7, 4, 6. Otherwise you can try in order. In the first one you'll get like 1, 9, then 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6. So probability of sum 10. See here in the first one you have only 1 and 9, because 1 plus 9 is 10. In the second one you have like 2 plus 8, 10. And third one 3 plus 7. And the fourth one 4 plus 6. So total we have like 4 outcomes out of 20, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So probability of getting the sum of the numbers 10 is 1 by 5. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81? So which term is minus 81? So here an is minus 81. We need to find n. So an formula is, an is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. So if we'll substitute here, a plus n minus 1 into d is minus 81. A is first term, which is 21, plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference, a2 minus a1. a2 is 18 minus 21, which is minus 3, is minus 81. So 21 minus 3n plus 3, because minus into minus plus 3, is minus 81. 21 plus 3, 24, minus 3n is minus 81. Minus 3n equals minus 81 minus 24. Minus 3n equals minus 81 minus 24 is minus 105. Minus minus will get cancelled. So n is equal to 105 by 3. N is equal to 35. So 35th term is minus 81. They are asking also find which term becomes 0. They are asking which term is 0. So see here, which term is 0 means same process again. So here I'll write directly, if you want you can write this one 24 minus 3n, because again the same thing you need to simplify. So 24 minus 3n equals 0. Or you can write this 3 steps again. A plus n minus 1 into d equals 0. So 24 equals 3n. N equals 24 by 3, which is nothing but 8. So therefore 8th term is 0. 8th term is 0 and 35th term is minus 81.